Howdy folks, welcome back to the workshop. I was going to give my dad a little gift. I was going to do some automotive themed products. And I was thinking about throwing in a bucket, you know, like a car wash bucket or something, but I thought, hey, no, let's build something. So, I threw together this beer caddy type deal. But it can also be used to hold other things. And, you know, we can throw a few non-alcoholic beverages in there too. Or alcoholic if that's more suiting. So there you are. This project actually incorporates a number of interesting joints. There's a wedged tenon. There's half-lap joints. There's sliding dovetails. There's dovetails. And I do plan on throwing together some plans with a few little tweaks based on what I learned here, and throwing those up on my Etsy in a bit. But as for now, hopefully this has provided you with a little inspiration or information for your own projects. Thanks for watching.